G'day, I'm Fergus Cameron. I look after the Phillip Island Grand Prix circuit, and each year we run the Superbike World Championship here. This year was the 19th year that we had the event, and we bring a team together of people, dedicated people together from all over Australia really, that puts the event together. We're a very close-knit little team, and we're very, very proud of the effort that we've made with this event over the years and seen how it's grown under our leadership. In fact, there's been 2 years during that time when the Superbike World Championship event here at Phillip Island has been judged the best in the world. As part of recognition of that, we like to do a photo each year of the full team together on the starting grid sometime during the event, and it really is a sign of just what a great, fantastic group we are. I'd also like to recognise the effort of Steve from SD Picks in all of this, who's put together this promotional material today to demonstrate what goes on behind the scenes as far as the Superbike World Championship.